Hello everyone, Rostron here and welcome to another video. Today's just going to be a very quick one. So behind me, as you can see, I have my pop-up greenhouse. Let me just swing it around. So I've got my pop-up greenhouse. I've tied it down, never did it last year. As you can see, it needs a bit tidying up inside because of people throwing stuff over that wall into my garden. But today's plan, as you can see here, I got a load of these crates. As you can see, I've already started. Got 3 crates here, and we've got all the tomatoes here. There's 3 varieties. I took a photograph of it about 2-3 weeks ago, and 2 plants per pot are going to go in these. So as you can see at the bottom, I've put some cardboard at the very bottom to cover the holes. I've punched a couple of holes in there for drainage, and I'm going to give them another quick soak. There's going to be a bit of cardboard at the side here, which is currently soaking, to cover those sides, and we're going to fill it up as much as we can with essentially 4 compost bags. And here are those compost bags. So I'm going to put that one at the bottom because that's like more the supermarket stuff. I'm going to try and spread that evenly between the 3. And then we've got the 3 60 litres that you see me over the allotment with. 1 of them per, and I'm going to kind of get my hands in and just give it a bit of a shake. And we're going to plant them. So that's the next job. Before we carry on, here is my little area. Got a couple of crates here that I'm going to take over the allotment, so that's why they're in that bag. Cardboard there soaking in water. Got a couple of strawberries here. Oh, by the way, I'll put a photograph over the top. I harvested 7 strawberries from the allotment last night. But here's another little surprise. This tub, I put in some potatoes last year. It's very thick clay in there, so it didn't really do anything at all last year. But as you can see, 2 of them sprouted back up again, so that's a little surprise. So we'll see what happens with them. Compared to the allotment, not a lot, and these have basically been in since June. Sorry about the road noise. But let's get back to the tomatoes. Right, that's in. So I decided to just bring them straight in. That's all 3 of them, just in the corner. Now to put 2 tomato plants per one of these. I'll do that again off camera. I'll bring them in by here. I'll just transfer them over. I only needed 2 bags, so I needed that supermarket one in the bottom, and then I put the clover on top. And also, while I was here, I found this, my boy's thing that he bought last year, so I've put that back in here for him. No particular order. The moneymaker will go on his left one with the scarecrow. So there's the 2 moneymakers in there. We got the sweet Cassaday, I believe that's how you say that. There it is there. So they are going to go in that one. I'll tidy the cardboard up behind it. And then over here we've got the baby tomatoes, which is the Cherry Baby F1. So they will be going up there. And then as they start growing, I'll put in the bamboo canes to support them. So I'm doing this freehand. All I'm doing is basically just getting in bare hand, not even gloves, just digging a hole about that, but deep enough that I can see. Get rid of a couple of twigs at the bottom from the previous compost. And then, when we get a pot, I'll take the pot out. And then I'm just basically plonking him in, as straight, as level as he was, as best. And then just compressing it in. And then making sure that the previous dirt on the pot is covered. Because that way then, they're getting a bit of moisture from the new compost in there. And then it will be bedded in. Is this the right way of doing it? I have absolutely no idea, but that's the way I'm doing it. And then obviously then, just so I know what it is, I'm just putting in 1 tab per one. So there's the moneymaker there, and there is the sweet Cassaday. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but the plum tomatoes. And then obviously I still need to do them, so I'll come back once I've done them. So there we go, we're done. Tomatoes are planted, so they're coming up to there. So that's the baby cherry ones, or Cherry Baby F1 should I say, and that is the sweet Cassades. Well, I still don't know how to pronounce that, but there you go. And then the moneymaker is in by here, on the guard with the scarecrow. So I kind of like just pulled off a couple of these ones that looked a bit dead, but they were very low down as well, so they were going to be under the dirt. I've kind of left that one there because he's above. I'm a bit worried about these 2 because they look a bit down, sort of to say, so I'm going to give them a good water in as well as these two here. So there we are. These are going to be added onto my daily watering. So that is it for me today. Let me know what you think. Have you got your tomatoes out? And I know I'm very late doing it, but I've only just managed to get all this lot sorted and whatnot. But yeah, a bit different for me this year. I did it summer last year in a big grey tub. I only had one tub, and then I think it was like a plant pot as well. So I thought I'll use these crates instead. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao for now, everyone.